Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amy if you are new here, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about being productive. And recently in the last week I rediscovered Notion. There was many years ago that I found Notion and it seemed very complicated and it didn't seem like it had a lot of features at the time, but I will say it has totally amped up over the last few years, and I was extremely excited to find it, and I really thought it could be the one thing that could keep me on track for everything that I do, working full-time, trying to create content on YouTube, trying to hit my goals of health and fitness and getting stronger at the gym. But it had one major flaw. So it will not regenerate a task based off of a daily task or a weekly task or a monthly task, which the main thing of being a mom is cleaning the house and these reoccurring tasks, especially if you're following the FlyLady system or the Clean Mama system. We do these certain tasks every single day, and I looked all over through YouTube and on different platforms to find if there is a possibility of doing reoccurring tasks in Notion. And unfortunately, the answer is no. So Notion is not going to be my one and done item to keep me organized. So this is where I decided to go to the wide web and discover what could be out there that could be my one and only. So when I went to the World Wide Web, I was looking for certain things in my project management. Being able to handle multiple views of seeing data, extensive filters to be able to really narrow in on that data, fairly customizable to what I need, no restrictions on how many projects I could create, and be $0. That's when I discovered ClickUp, and it was okay. It's very complicated. It was going to take a huge learning curve. It had a free version that I could use because I do not have a team. However, it only let me do a certain number of projects, so I threw that out. Then I discovered Nifty. It was okay. I can't remember why I decided that that wasn't going to work as well. That is also when I discovered Good Day. I really thought this was going to be the one and only thing. If I really liked it, the subscription was fairly cheap. However, it did not, in the free version anyways, have good filtering capability. It did not have a whole lot of customization. And the truth is, Notion fits all of those categories. So it's so disappointing that it cannot do repeating tasks. But I decided to explore an app that I've already had on my phone. I don't have to pay for, and it's Reminders. Believe it or not, Reminders allows you to set up reoccurring tasks. So I put all of my cleaning system on Reminders. The Reminder app has different folders for different views. So if I click the Today app, it allows me to see only the items that are due for today, and which works perfectly for my daily reoccurring task. And also I will see my weekly task pop up there based on the day that it is. And I have organized all of this in different folders. So I have a folder called Routines where I keep all of that information. So in the Today section of the app, it is pulling all of those items from within those folders. So I don't have to organize it in such a way to be able to see all the reminders that are due. There's also a scheduled section that allows me to see a view of the whole week. The Reminder app also allows you to put in notes and tags. So I've tagged all of my cleaning items for what they are being focused on. And underneath of your cleaning tasks, you can also put subtasks. So the beauty of Clean Mama is that it's not as restrictive, and it really kind of allows you to do what you see fit. So a lot of the items will be like clean appliance, and it has a list of ideas that you could do. Maybe that is too broad for some people, but I really like that. I don't like being restricted in my cleaning system. So I could create a subtask on one of my monthly to-dos stating to clean the washer or clean the dryer, whichever would be relevant that month for me based off of what I completed the month before. You can also flag your items. You can also list them as low, medium, or high priority. So if it's something that I haven't gotten to in a while, I can move it up as a high priority item. So I just wanted to bring this app up to you if you hadn't really explored it and thought of using it in this way. I've also actually added in a folder of reoccurring tasks that need to be done that I keep forgetting, like my dog's medicine and anything else that is reoccurring that I need to just pop up in the today section of the app. I'm excited to explore this app a little bit more along with Notion. I hope you stick around. I'm going to hopefully put out some more Notion content, but currently right now, as far as reoccurring tasks, Notion is not the app to do that. However, I do think it is a workhorse and it's going to be amazing to keep me organized in other ways, but I am going to have to work collaboratively using the Reminders app along with Notion. Notion has a huge learning curve, and as a full-time working mom and just busy in general, I didn't really have the time to fully learn the system. So I did find a creator on YouTube called Michelle B, and I absolutely am loving her content. I just found her within the last couple of weeks, and she had a Notion pack that I could purchase. I purchased it for around $20, and it really made me understand Notion a lot better. I don't think that I will completely keep everything that she has. We all think differently, and that's the beauty of Notion. We are able to customize it to fit the way that we think. So I hope you will stick around as I explore more about Notion and how this could help me as a working mom. And if you decided to explore the Reminders app and using it as your cleaning system or reminder management tool, whatever you want to call it, leave a comment down below and let me know how it's working for you.